Nestled amongst the leafy streets of Hawthorne, Australia, lies a secret. From the outside, a charming interwar bungalow, a timeless silhouette. But step inside, and a transformation unfolds. This is Courtyard House. Meet our clients, a professional couple yearning for an idyllic escape. They envisioned a minimalist sanctuary bathed in natural light, a haven for Zen practices and connection with nature. Their brief? A modest 3-bedroom home, a reconfiguration rather than an extension, respecting the property's heritage. But challenges arose. Local covenants demanded materials matching the existing brick and terracotta. A long driveway dominated the side view. Inspiration struck. The existing roofline would remain, but a portion would be carved away, creating a central courtyard, the heart of the new design. Upon arrival, a sense of tranquility sets in. The timber entrance, inspired by the home's original deco features, welcomes you. Hidden doorways lead to the existing, thoughtfully restored bedrooms. A light well draws you forward, culminating in the reveal, the central courtyard. Here, the magic unfolds. Bamboo whispers in the breeze, water trickles serenely, and light dances through the wooden screens. Operable timber allows inhabitants to adjust to the ever-changing light and weather, a harmonious blend of nature and architecture. Beyond the courtyard lies a dramatic living space, bathed in southern sunlight. The minimized backyard becomes a backdrop, while framed views throughout the house connect the interior seamlessly with the garden, reinforcing the tranquil ambience. Sustainability was paramount. From rainwater storage to solar panels, the house respects the environment. Courtyard House is a testament to thoughtful design. It reflects the client's love of travel and Zen philosophy. The Japanese maple tree, the centerpiece of the landscape, symbolizes the home's spiritual and aesthetic core. A private garden off the onsen allows for a truly holistic experience. This is a refuge, a legacy built to last, a hidden sanctuary nestled amidst the leafy embrace of Hawthorne.